Gravity dam is most suitable when the foundation is answer A, strong. Which of the following dam is partly earthen and partly rock fill? Answer B, Tehri Dam. Which of the following type of dam is built in a where the foundation is not strong enough to bear the weight of concrete? Answer D, earth dam. Idukki Dam is a type of answer C, art dam. It is possible to construct steel dam only up to a height of answer C, 20 meter. In which of the following dam the weight of water is carried by a deck of RCC or by arches that share the weight burden? Answer A, hollow masonry gravity dam. The temperature structures that are built to enclose certain work site is answer C, coffer dam. Which of the following dam is suitable for narrow valleys? Answer B, art dam. When sand and gravel foundation strata are available at a proposed dam site of moderate height, the dam may be of the type answer D, earthen or rock-filled dam. According to the hydraulic design, the dams are classified as answer A, overflow and non-overflow dam. A dam reservoir which is not provided with gate controls on its spillway and other sluices is called answer B, retarding basin. A hydel power project has been investigated to serve the water supply and irrigation needs of the area at its inspection stage. The dam reservoir so constructed is known as answer B, multipurpose reservoir. A dam reservoir catering to flood control, irrigation and water supply, basically designed for irrigation alone is answer C, single purpose reservoir. Which reservoir is also known as mitigation reservoir? Answer D, flood control reservoir. The oldest dam of India is built on which river? Answer D, Kaveri river. The highest dam of India is built on answer B. Bhagirathi River. The only dam of India is Idukki Dam across river in Kerala state, which height is answer A. 169 meter. Which of the following is a stone masonry dam? Answer A. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Which of the following is the highest stone masonry gravity dam of India as well as of the world? Answer C. Ramganga Dam. The highest concrete gravity dam of India, which is also the second highest such dam of the world, is answer C. Bhakranangal Dam. Bhakra Dam of India is located in the state of answer D. Himachal Pradesh.